The more you give to an MBA, the more you can expect to get out of it. My name is Gajender Sharma, and I am HEC MBA 2007 graduate, and I'm currently here in Beijing working for Volkswagen Group, China. I decided to do an MBA because MBA for me was always part of my career, or even you can say life goal, because I always heard that MBA is an experience. And while I was working in different companies, I realized that MBA could offer me the strategic part of my career. Also, I can learn many other skills. Leadership is something you say, leaderships they're naturally born or you can learn from them. But actually for me, it was very interesting that apart from the knowledge gained, like the financial or marketing, which you normally don't have in your career, because I'm an engineer by profession, the way I think, my thought process, my mindset. Because in the program, we learn from 200 students with 1,000 years of experience. Also, we met a lot of leaders who came, these were CEOs of the company, and they talked about their experiences. One of the strengths of HEC, like the community part is very strong, which means I'm still connected to my classmates. I think one of the great achievements of the HEC program is the alumni network, and wherever I've been, I've met great alumni, be it Tokyo, be it Malaysia, and now here in Beijing. It is always about the people who are behind, And then the topic is, how do you motivate the people? And you can only motivate people when you motivate yourself first. You can only change people if you change yourself first. And I think the biggest learning for me throughout this year, including the time I was at MBA, was as a leader, you need to know yourself first. If you want to lead a team, if you want to dream big, if you want to achieve goals, you need to have this shared vision. And I think this is the biggest learning for me. Always trying something new without fear, because you say you want to do or you want to achieve something, and something for good. Not only for yourself, but also the people who are with you. Each one of us is quite unique in our own way. And the very fact that we are here on this very beautiful earth is a gift we have, which means each one of us has a unique responsibility to bring this gift forward. And I can honestly say that HEC MBA or HEC Paris celebrates truly the uniqueness of the students who join the program.